Hey friends, Sarah here from Arizona Science Center, and today we've got some more science activities for you in the form of science party tricks. I got a great one for you. This is a take on that classic egg drop. However, we're not going to use some eggs. We're going to use some materials that you likely have at home, including tennis balls, which are a little bit more sustainable than using eggs for this one. Let's go through the setup. You're going to need a pie pan. So hopefully you've got a metal pie pan. Don't use a glass one because I don't want it to break. So a metal pie pan or a plastic tray of some kind. You're gonna need something very important, toilet paper tube. You're gonna need at least one of these, and a glass. Something with a wide mouth that your tennis ball could theoretically fit into. So something heavy. All right, so start with your glass. Now, if you are at a party and you're gonna try and impress your loved ones and your friends, you could make this a challenge for them. So set the glass down, then you're gonna put the pie tin right on top. Then, right in the center of the glass on top of that pie tin, you're gonna take your paper towel roll or your toilet paper tube. And on the top, again, this is where you normally would use an egg. If you have an egg, you can try it, but fair warning, get messy. All right, but again, it's more sustainable if you use a tennis ball, then just balance right on top. Now the challenge for your friends is to say, all right, what's gonna happen if you smack the pie pan out from underneath this setup here? Which direction is the ball gonna go? So if I hit it from this side, which direction do you think the ball is gonna go? All right, let's try it out to see. All right, I'm gonna move this just for safety. And again, you wanna make sure that you are clear. So let's see what happens if I hit it from the side. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, was that what you expected? Again, you want to make sure that all of your area is clear, but what happened to the ball? Which direction did it go? You probably expected it to go this way, right? But where did it go? Straight down. Well, this is a great physics lesson. If you recall, objects in motion want to stay in motion. So our ball that was stationary is being acted on by gravity, which wants to pull it down towards the ground, but it was balanced on the top of that tube. Now, there's not a lot of contact between the edge of this ball and the tube. So with this setup that it had, right, the pie pan pulls this paper towel out from underneath it, but very little friction happening right here. So there's a little bit of drag, but really gravity wants to pull the ball straight down into your cup. So really you've just got a great physics lesson. Hopefully you can stump your friends with that one, and I've got one more for you to try. Let's take a look. All right, so for party trick number 2, we're gonna try something really cool. For this one, here's the setup for the challenge. Can you pick up a plate like this with just a wine glass? All right, here's what you're gonna need. Obviously the plate. We've got a wine glass. You could also use a strong glass cup if you've got one. You're gonna need something, okay, that you can light on fire. So you're gonna need matches or a grill lighter. A cotton ball works. You're gonna need some water and some paper towels. Now, of course, for this one, we're gonna be using a little bit of fire, so of course, make sure that you're being very safe. If you need adult supervision, I encourage that too. But let's give it a try. All right, what do you think? Can we pick up this plate with just a glass? Now, a lot of people try things like this and try and pick it up off the table, but the secret is all in science, you guys. This, again, it's like magic, but it's real, it's science. This one's all about physics. You're gonna take a piece of paper towel, fold it in half, or if you've got a napkin like this, that works too. Of course, if you're actually at a party doing a party trick, you probably have napkins. You're gonna get it wet, squeeze out the extra water, and then you're gonna lay it flat down here on the plate. Then you're gonna take your cotton ball, put it in the middle. You're gonna light it on fire. This is the part you gotta make sure you're real safe about. Then you're gonna flip your cup over top of that flame. Now, you might be able to hear it hiss. So what we're doing, we're heating up that air inside and it's spreading out. All those molecules are spreading out, creating a low pressure system. Now, once we trap it in there and the fire goes out inside, it's starting to cool down. Well, now it's a low pressure system that's totally trapped. And we've got a high pressure system outside pushing down on the glass, pushing up on the plate, trying to get inside this glass. And if you lift up on the glass, you've created a seal with just a little bit of pressure and physics. All right, I hope you get a chance to try that one. Wow your friends and loved ones. This is a great activity to try at any party. I hope you like this one and want to try some more because you can find more science online at azscience.org, and we'll see you next time.